Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, today I would like to show you some stuff in the key of F and then tell you how to get all of this. Okay, so let's look at this song. What are you turning to wine? So I'm in the key of F. So I'm sure you know this song. It goes 6-4-1. Then you might do 5. This is how I play this song. What are you turning to wine? Up on the heights of my heart, no one like, oh, no like you. Our God is grateful, our God is strong, and they are higher. Our God is greater. Da, da, da. Our God, our God. Right. Da 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 da. All right, so you won't believe it if I said I already thought all these things, and that is in my newest, latest piano course, which is I titled it 25 Gospel Piano Advanced Breakdown, Gospel Songs Breakdown. So you see the flyer on the screen. So I did this song and many other songs, Goodness of God, Yeah by Johnsonkeyz, Tobechuku, right? Right, so I thought everything, you see my fingers, you see the MIDI display, then you have the MIDI files also to be able to practice and see everything I played. People have always complained, saying we can't see most of the stuff you are playing, this and that. This one, you see everything I played. There's no speed, calmly you watch, you have the course, you can watch over and over. And the price you can see it on the screen is just 5,000 naira for people in Nigeria, and then $10 for people in abroad. But then this is just for the first 20 people, and then we are close to 10 already as at the time I'm doing this video, so you should check the date. So in case you try and buy and then you see the price has gone up, that means you watched the video later. I encourage everyone to get it right. So I encourage everyone to get it. The link to get it is in the description of this channel, and also, so let me show you something. So our God is greater 6, our God is stronger 4. Then Lord, you are higher than any other. Our God is greater. Da 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 da. 1. Da da. So okay, that part that goes okay. Oh, that part that goes what are you turning to other? Da 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 da. Look at it. So what did I do there? I taught this already in the course, but I will show you for the sake of people who are watching this. I did A flat all the way to the B. Then I was going to play C sharp, C sharp diminished 7 chord. So I was going to play C sharp diminished 7 chord and then C diminished 7 chord, then to my 2 in the key of F. So this was like a passing note. So you can always do that anytime you want to do this chord. You want to go from 4 to 2. So you can always do that. So A flat all the way to, when you hit B, you hold C sharp diminished 7 chord simultaneously. Then you come down to your 3 with C diminished 7. You can see I'm skipping some of the notes, so as if I'm doing drop 2, right? So, but I'm not doing drop 2 now. So then to my 2, which is G minor, right? Is it G minor? Yeah, G minor. So I like doing that. So you're gonna learn a lot of stuff like this. So if you are ready, I mean, why not chat me up? Click the seller link. You're gonna see this in my store. It's in the about page of this channel. In case seller does not work for you, please make sure you check my WhatsApp number on the on this channel, the homepage of the channel, and then chat me directly, so I'll be able to give you what works for you, for your country. All right, in case seller does not work. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.